Sorry you hate me. You shouldn't hate me. But I mean, I guess I can't fucking tell you what to do, you know? But I mean, fucking look at us. Sexy! You have to fucking say something. It's your video, douche.
It's not my video.
So, you're pretty good at drums. Even if you hate me, I just thought I'd let you know. You know, you're pretty good at drums.
I hate my life.
Taylor can't play guitar. She sucks. She did guitar lessons for a little while.
Should I bring it out? Should I bring it out?
Yeah, go get your guitar. She sucks. But, you know, whatever. What we can do is we'll just edit it and put a song like it's playing guitar. And we'll
Yes!
That's what we're going to... I guess I'll just...
Should've said no. Should've gone home.
I don't know the word. We have to do one that has a...
You're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset. She's going off about something that you said, but she doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in the room, it's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like.
In fashion, style is from head to toe.
In fashion, style is from hair to toe. And as the official hair care sponsor of Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week, Tresemme shows you how to complete the hottest runway looks with beautiful...
You're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset. She's going off about how sexy.
Oh no, for show. It's hot in here. It's Finn. Fucking showing Finn, you know? Whatever. So, yeah.
To meet Taylor's Pillow Pets?
This is Raja.
Taylor's Pillow Pets.
This is Raja.
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 Full name is Raja Volpe.
Raja Volpe.
Raja Volpe.
Raja Volpe.
Raja Volpe.
Raja Volpe.
Now this is Finn.
Finn.
Jerusalem Volpe.
Finn Jerusalem Volpe.
Say that again.
Finn Jerusalem Volpe.
So they're brother and sister. You see?
Finn Jerusalem Volpe and Raja Volpe.
Yes.
Team Volpe. Team